Welcome to our channel. Today we how to start e-commerce marketing with Shopify, beginner guide step by step clearly. To start e-commerce marketing with Shopify, begin by creating a Shopify account. Visit the Shopify website and click on the Start Free Trial button. Fill out the necessary information, including your email address, password, and store name. Once your account is created, you'll be directed to your Shopify dashboard. Familiarize yourself with the dashboard features, including the admin panel and settings. Next, choose a suitable theme for your online store. Navigate to the online store section and click on Themes. Explore the available themes and select one that aligns with your brand. Customize your theme by clicking on the Customize button. Adjust the layout, colors, and fonts to match your brand identity. Now, it's time to add products to your store. Go to the Products section and click on Add Product. Include high-quality images, detailed descriptions, prices, and any variations. Setting up collections can help organize your products effectively. Use the Collections feature to create categories for easier navigation. Once your products are added, set up payment gateways for transactions. Head to Settings and then Payments to choose your desired payment methods. Next, configure shipping settings to determine how you will deliver your products. Go to Settings and select Shipping and Delivery. Define shipping zones and rates based on. After setting up your store, begin creating a marketing strategy. Start with social media promotion by connecting your store to platforms like Facebook and Instagram. Utilize Shopify's built-in tools to create ads and promotions directly from your dashboard. Consider using email marketing to engage with potential customers. Integrate an email marketing service and design compelling newsletters or offers. Content marketing through blogs can help drive traffic to your store. Create relevant, informative posts that align with your products and industry. As your store gains traction, analyze your performance with Shopify's analytics tools. Monitor traffic, sales, and customer behavior to refine your marketing strategies. Consider exploring paid advertising options to reach a broader audience. Utilize Google Ads or social media ads to target specific demographics. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.